give it and tell you what my point of views are, because I think the point of views lie.
Sujit, we are missing Mr. Bachchan. We were really hoping that we get to see the whole cast put it together, but that kind of didn't work out. What happened?
Yeah, I think he'll catch you soon. I think. Don't worry. Maybe
He's gonna come soon?
in a day or two he'll match you. All meet you soon.
Right. There's a question for the three of you. You know, everybody's speaking about the Salman verdict. As a part of the industry, any comments that you guys have? Anything, Sujit?
If I'm as an individual, I would like to just say, when you talk about
Without
a subject
getting
like
into
that as
legalities.
sensitive, what is your viewpoint when you have to think
I
about
cannot
it?
give my viewpoint right now because it's too sensitive. Anything can be blown out of proportion, and I feel for everybody, people who have been who suffered, and the way people are suffering. But I cannot give any comment right now. It's not a.
Sure, but what about the justice?
I
angle?
can't because it's in court. Subject is in court, and we cannot give.
And
As
a
a
part
film
of,
industry, how do you
and also knowing Salman, being there for him. Would you
I'll talk to you about Salman later. Once let this settle down. Yeah.
Okay, Sujit, can you give us your viewpoints on it?
On what?
On the whole verdict that came out yesterday, and of course the interim bail being given to him.
It's very difficult because I was not in the court, and I have not heard anybody. I don't know who is for and what kind of arguments has been given.
Sure.
So it's very difficult to give it and tell you what my point of views are, because I think the point of views lies with the court of law.
But Sujit, two of his films are in a.
No, don't hang on a
Actually,
second.
the part of
I'm requesting you.
Sure.
Don't ask about this, because you know that this is in the court of law and we cannot talk about it. We don't know any arguments
apart
about
from
it.
legalities, being a part of it.
No, what
there
is
are
apart
legal
from
requests
what
also.
is- there is nothing apart from
laws and,
legalities.
there's money riding on him right now. So,
We'll tell you all, sorry,
Even-
requesting you all to please keep the questions related to PICU and the associations and just...
I am as much a citizen of India as you are a citizen of India, and I think we will have to go by what our land of law decides, right?
Okay, since the judgment day for you guys, so the film is really nearby. When you it's a timely film, and Sujit, you already said that how much it is good, such a big budget when you have such actors. Has this expectations now?
Who told you it's a big budget film?
I mean, no, it's a big film, as in you have
it's a
such
big
big
film.
stars. I mean, I'm sure they are.
Yeah.
So in that way, I mean, aren't you like?
Did you
now
do the
skeptical?
research on this budget? How much?
I have no idea. Please tell us the budget as well. That's a great question.
No. Why didn't you research it? Why did you
I
say
didn't
it's
ask
a
for the
big
budget.
budget?
I said it's a big film.
अच्छा, तेरा सवाल क्या है? What are you asking?
सवाल ये है कि now are you feeling confident? Are you feeling slightly skeptical that now that the judgment day for the film, the Friday is coming out?
See, me as a director,
As a director,
no, I am not nervous, because I would have been nervous when I was starting the film, but now it's gone. Now it's not in my hand, and I think whatever the people's verdict is, till now, whatever shows we had, the response from the industry has been quite positive, and that gives us a confidence. And let's see what happens tomorrow.
Okay, Ranveer Singh has tweeted a very interesting tweet. He has said that your Piku performance is like best of your career so far, and he's not being biased about it. What do you have to say about that?
I think I take it in the same way as 100 other people have tweeted it. So you should ask me about those also.
So, did any plans to make Piku a series and to have a sequel also?
That's a cool cover.
Yeah, we are making it into a television series. About 8-9 sequels we're planning. यार अभी फिल्म रिलीज नहीं हुआ मेरे को
बजट भी बोल दो सर.
मैं कैसे अगर मुझे सीक्वल बनाना होता तो मैं विकी नोरा का बनाता पहले, है कि नहीं? अभी नहीं सोचा है, कोई आइडिया आएगा, लेकिन सबसे पहले आई विल अनाउंस कि नो आई हैव गॉट एन आइडिया फॉर 2.
that's great. All the best, guys. Thank you so much.
काफी
मिल गया मसाला?
ओ ये मुझे आइडिया नहीं है, ये
इसी से बना लोगे ना आप?
Okay, we'll take last two questions. Last two questions, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
इसी से बन जाएगी स्टोरी मुझे लगता है.
What?